Meetings. I would like to eliminate meetings from my daily workflow. They tie up too much time when I could be modeling.
More of the mundane tasks of having to go through the vault and update file references.
Yes, the work part. Working with a lot of step files, so I get big step assemblies in for a lot of my projects, and I have to dig into the component level at that point, pull that component out, separate it out, and sometimes I forget if I'm working in the separated out that I've already detached from the assembly or if it's within that step.
Yeah, probably going to meetings that could be emails.
More time to design means more projects done.
I'd actually spend the time collaborating with my peers and getting their feedback, and then that would translate just to a better design overall, I think.
If I had more time for design, I think I would just get more of the ridiculous ideas in my head out in the world and just see what they look like.
We would be able to focus our time more on innovation.
I think I would definitely be working on more passion projects instead of just doing the normal everyday things and really try to express myself through my design work.